Today I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet increase in rows and in rounds. I'm also going to show you what it looks like with the double crochet. So here we go. Increasing is putting more than one stitch into the same place. Here's how to do a single crochet increase in a row. Make a single crochet as usual in the next stitch, then insert your hook into the same stitch and make another single crochet. You can see the two stitches are coming from the same place or the same stitch. If you need to increase while working in rounds, it's the same thing. Now let's increase using a double crochet. Here it is in a row. And here's that same increase in a round. Next time, I'll show you how to decrease. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks for watching.